Whenever you have these bullet points given in the question, then automatically it's a rhetorical synthesis. And for me, it's one of the easiest themes on the SAT. I think it's just kind of a giveaway. So let's look at the 3-step process for approaching a question like this. Step 1, identify the goal simply by reading the question prompt. So in this question, it says the student wants to introduce the scientist and her field of study to a new audience. So we're going to try to find the answer option that accomplishes that specific goal. Step 2, don't even read the bulleted facts. And that's why this one's an awesome kind of question, because we're not going to waste any time here. Every one of them is going to be grammatically correct. We're just looking for the one that's going to accomplish the purpose of what they're saying here. So that's why step 2 says, don't even read the bulleted facts, just read through the answer options and eliminate each option that doesn't accomplish the specific goal mentioned. Then once you've eliminated all the ones that don't accomplish that goal, step 3 says, choose the remaining option that does accomplish the goal. We also want to look for some keywords and be sure the answer option accomplishes every aspect of the stated goal. An example, the student wants to introduce the scientist and her field of study to a new audience. So we're going to have to make sure that it has both information about the scientist and her work, not just one or the other. So when we're going through here with process of elimination, right away, I'm going to look for a person's name. And notice option A doesn't have a person's name. We could eliminate it. Option C doesn't have a person's name. We could eliminate it as well. So then we're down to options B and D. And let's see which of the two not only talks about the scientist, but her field of study. So option B says marine biologist Camille Jasmine Guinness, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, studies coral reefs, vital underwater ecosystems that provide homes to 25% of all marine species. That sounds pretty good. It's telling us what she studies, so that's essentially her field of study, but I might take a quick glance at option D to see if I'm missing something. Option D says, as Camille Jasmine Guinness knows well, coral reefs are vital underwater ecosystems, providing homes to thousands of species of fish. That's just defining what a coral reef is. That's not really talking about her field of study. So the correct answer option is B. And the most important tip, believe in yourself.
You got this.